Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to share with you a very beautiful story, and the name of the story is Value of Friendship. Once a pigeon in a forest developed love for a beautiful female pigeon. He asked her to marry him. Then she advised him to develop some friends and then come to marry her. The male pigeon made a tortoise, eagle, and a lion his friends. Then female pigeon married him. They also built a nest, and the female pigeon laid eggs in it. The little pigeon kids emerged from eggs. One day, some hunters lit a winter fire under that tree. The kid pigeons couldn't bear its heat. Mother pigeon worried. They may die even. The male pigeon sought help of his friends. The eagle brought lion. The lion roared. Then the hunters feared and ran away. The tortoise put off the fire, and the male pigeon understood the value of friendship. The moral of the story is we should always make good friends, not the bad ones. Thank you.